Hi guys, welcome back to Netty's Amazing House. Today we'll be making rum cake, Jamaican Christmas black cake, rum cake with cheesecake. Now I'm gonna add 2 cups of soft butter. I softened my butter. This is rum cake cheesecake. I'm versatiling up my rum cake. I've made rum cake cheesecake cupcakes marbled, and now I'm gonna do the cake. So hope you guys like it. Comment and let me know what you think. It's gonna be delicious anyways. See guys, I always cream out my butter to make it more creamy. Now I'm adding 2 cups of brown sugar. I'm gonna clean the side of my bowl because I want all the sugar and the butter combined. Okay, so now I'll be adding 6 eggs, 1 at a time. Keep my mixture on slow. Ooh, that was 2. Oops, there it is. 2. Okay guys, in Jamaica we always, when making rum cake, we always add guava jam. So about a 1/4 cup of guava jam. See? See this? Guava. Yep. See, I let my egg and my butter and my sugar beat, especially after I put in the egg, because I need my cake to fluffy. Rum cake is always kind of a dense cake, but I need it to be moist, really moist. So in this mixture I have 2 cups of flour with 4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 nutmeg, grated, freshly grated. So I'm gonna put in about half the mixture, half the flour. And a teaspoon salt. I'll leave the ingredients in the comment section. So guys, leave me a comment, let me know in the description section. But leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. If you guys bake rum cake, love rum cake, have you ever tried rum cake with cheesecake? It's delicious to make cupcake rum cake cheesecake. Let me clean the side of my bowl. My grandmother used to bake black cake a lot, but you know, she used to steam it. Back in Jamaica, they would steam the cake in a big pot with water, and they'll put the cake in the hot water and then cover it. 1 cup breadcrumbs. Sieve your breadcrumbs, guys. 2 teaspoons vanilla. I'll also be adding in half of a lime. Yes, I've used the rind of this lime. So now I'll be using half of a lime. Lime juice. You could also use lemon. Now time for the goodness. This is 2 cups. See these fruits? 2 cups of blended fruits. This is raisin, currant, prune, mixed fruit, pre-soaked in wine. So I just take out 2 cups of the fruits, blend it. If you like your fruits old, that's okay, but we love our fruits blended in rum cake. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to Netty's Amazing House. This is the browning I use. So I'll add about 4 tablespoons browning. If it needs more, I'll add more. Clean as you go. Excuse the knocking and the beating, but we're baking cake, right? You're gonna have bing bong dong right through the kitchen. So guys, remember, taste your cake. Taste test. It's kind of fresh, so I'll add a little bit, about half more teaspoon salt. really fresh. Salt and rum. Need rum. Rum. Remember this? And that's it. So now time for the cheesecake. This is 500-gram cream cheese. Soften. Make sure your cheese is soft. Just a quick and easy cheesecake. Nothing too fancy or professional. You know that movie they said, I'm a professional? Everyone keeps saying, I'm a professional. Which movie is that? We're professional. I'm a professional. Okay, and this is 3/4 cup sugar, granulated sugar. Sorry, was distracted a bit. A tablespoon flour. Teaspoon vanilla. So guys, if you know the movie I'm referring to, let me know. Star Denzel Washington. Oh, and half of a lemon. I'm sieving the lemon right between my fingers. Don't want no seeds getting away. Side. One at a time. Okay.
So you pouring the cake at the bottom.
Yep.
As a base.
Yeah. You love rum cake, don't you, Malik?
I like pudding more, but rum cake's alright. It's alright. It ain't no sweet potato pudding, but it works. So thick base.
You're gonna tell me it's a lot.
That's a thick base.
Yep, because guess what? I'm marbling my delicious cheesecake batter.
Oh, that's how you marble it? I thought you had to mix it in like one bowl. Oh, like
You know what? I should just put the
some
cheesecake
out,
on the top.
but don't pour all of it out.
I want to put all the cheesecake on the top.
You can marble it, make it look sick. Because the top would just look white. And
hear that, guys? In confusion with the cake.
marble all of it.
This is gonna be a really big cake.
Tick.
Yep. But you know what? The cake will shrink. Remember?
The cake shrink? How about cake grow?
No, it does shrink a bit.
And now marble it. Mix them both. Mix it, put it in here.
No.
What?
Here, my try to tell me how to do my things.
Because it should be like the last one, the small one you made. What?
Don't say anything. Because I want the marble to go all the way right through the cake.
Yeah, but you need the cake.
Malik! Just chill. Look at this now, sweetie. Look. The cake is already at... Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, remember I said I am not a professional.
Oh my gosh, what happened?
Remember that movie with Denzel Washington? Who remember that movie?
I don't know.
With, what's her name? Nikita?
Nikita?
When she was kidnapped by the Mexicans?
Taken?
No. Okay, there it is, sweetie.
I'll make a small one.
guys, my oven was preheating for 325, and my let me show you. Whenever I'm making a rum cake, I hope you can see it.
Swing it like that.
Okay, whenever I'm making rum cake, see that roasting pan? I always put it in before I turn the oven on with water so my cake steam while it's baking. So here it is, guys. Rum cake cheesecake. As you see, the cake has a crack in it, but don't watch that. It's because of how the marble was set. And remember I said I bake it at 325. I reduced the temperature to 300. And that's it, guys.